Hola, ¿qué tal mis amigos de YouTube? Bienvenidos a un video más y seguimos acá en Naranjos, departamento San Martín. Acá me encuentro con un gran amigo mío, Edward Chuque, de Twitcher Perú. Y nada, Edward, más bien un gusto de tenerte acá. Gracias por recibirme acá en este hermoso lugar. Y hoy vamos a llegar especialmente a las personas que hablan inglés. Acá el gran amigo Edward pues es un especialista hablando inglés y nos va a hablar un poco de la pitahaya. Edward, go ahead.
Thank you so much, Elvis. This is Edward Chuque from Twitcher Peru. I want to thank Robert Mas, the owner of this plantation, Frutas Tropicales. Is that right?
Frutas tropicales Don Ciro.
Frutas Tropicales Don Ciro. Thank you so much for allowing Robert to come here to this plantation. Elvis, I'm fascinated. What we have in this plantation is amazing, my friends. We have around like 8 varieties. This is crazy. So just to let you know where we are in Peru, right now we are at an elevation of 900 meters above the sea level. If you see the forest, this beautiful scenery, the green area, this is known as the Alto Mayo Protected Forest. So we have not only dragon fruits, Elvis, we have more than that, like birds, we have like orchids, we have hummingbirds. It's beautiful, it's amazing, my friends. You should come. This video goes for the people from the United States, from France, to Singapore, to China. We want you to come and visit and see our potential we have in northern Peru. I know that when you talk about tourism, you talk about Machu Picchu. I like Machu Picchu, I love that place. But when we talk about varieties like dragon fruit, like birds and nature, my friends, you should come to the north of Peru. Let me show you this dragon fruit. By the way, it's my favorite fruit. Elvis, we know this fruit as the fruit of youth, la fruta de la juventud. It has so many benefits, like it's good for the stomach, like has some digestion benefits, and also it's profitable. How much is the cost of the fruit? Like a kilo? ¿Cuánto cuesta? 20 soles?
19 soles promedio.
You know, the price of this fruit, my friends, can go from 5 soles to 20 soles. It's very profitable if you're looking for alternatives to plant like different fruits. This is the one. This is the one. It's the fruit of youth, Elvis. La fruta de la juventud. Elvis, can you open this? ¿Puedes abrir esto, por favor?
A ver, vamos a abrir la rica fruta para que puedan ver los amigos.
My friend, I just want to thank Elvis Carrera. He's a dragon fruit expert. He comes from Lima. He collects different varieties of dragon fruit. And this time is the first time we're at the plantation of Frutas Tropicales Don Ciro. Thank you. I want to give a special thanks to Robert Mas. He's a wonderful person. He's a very nice professional. He's an expert, my friends. He has been like investigating with the local community, with the local people about the varieties. And he has this beautiful plantation, my friends. And this is one of the best days of my life, my friends. Thank you, Robert, and thank you again, Elvis. And I invite all my friends from different countries, come and visit Peru. And visit the north of Peru. You will find tropical fruits, you will find hummingbirds, beautiful landscapes, orchids. It's amazing, my friends. You have to come to Peru, and we will wait for you. Now I'm gonna taste this fruit. Let me see. Definitely, this fruit is amazing, my friends. It's kind of like a watermelon. The acidity is well balanced. The sugar also is not that high. It's tasty, my friend. It's yummy.
Edward, muchísimas gracias por hablarnos, por difundir esta información, sobre todo a todas las personas pues que hablan inglés. Sabemos que el inglés está en casi todo el mundo y es un gusto, un agrado de poder llegar a todos esos países. Para todos nosotros de habla hispana, en pocas palabras, lo que nos ha dicho el amigo Edward es de que Perú es un país maravilloso, ¿no? Es bien conocido sobre todo por Machu Picchu, pero también no olvidemos que tenemos lugares maravillosos como Moyobamba, como estos lugares, con diferentes centros turísticos. Hay una diversidad, infinidad de aves, de especies, tanto de flora, fauna, y acá tenemos un campo hermoso de pitahaya. Como sabemos, la pitahaya, la fruta del dragón, tiene diferentes propiedades nutricionales y medicinales, y sobre todo que es una fruta exquisita, y tiene que llegar esta fruta a los diferentes lugares del Perú y del mundo entero. Muchísimas gracias, Edward, nuevamente. Muchísimas gracias al amigo Robert. Yo soy Elvis Carrera y seguiremos haciendo más contenido en este canal. Y sigamos haciendo patria.
Paving the way, abriendo camino.